Assalamualaikum guys, I hope you're well and hope you're having a great day. Before I begin, please subscribe to my channel, do also press that bell icon and do share with your family and friends. So today I've made these delicious buffalo wings. They are juicy, they are flavoursome. Guys, you're going to love this inshallah. So let's go on to see how to make this. First up, we need a bowl. I am adding 1 cup of plain flour and half a cup of corn flour. So for the spices, I am adding a 1/4 teaspoon of red chili flakes and 1 teaspoon for the paprika powder, garlic powder, cumin and coriander powder, black pepper and salt to taste. Now give this all a good mix. So now I'm just going to be putting the flour mixture aside, and in here I have 15 chicken wings. Now I am adding 8 cloves of garlic, and this just gives it a good flavour. And finally adding some lemon to this, just half a lemon will be fine. So now I'm going to coat the chicken wings in the flour mixture, and I'm going to coat really well and leave it in there for about 15 minutes. So I didn't manage to make them all. I made about 10 of these, so the remaining that was left, I left them in the fridge and made them the next day. So whilst the chicken wings are marinating, in a pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter. I've used unsalted butter, but that's only because I always buy that. You can add any really. So once the butter has melted, I'm adding 1 cup of hot chili sauce. You can use any that you like. I've also added about 3 tablespoons of dark soy sauce and just going to mix this really well and cook for about a few minutes until it is a nice saucy texture. That's the texture that I was looking for, and I give it a little cheeky taste as well, and oh my goodness guys, what can I say? Now I'm going to heat the oil. I'm not going to heat it too much. So once the oil is hot enough but not too hot, I'm adding the chicken wings, and I'm going to cook this on each side for 3 minutes. And at this stage the chicken will not be crispy, but that's absolutely fine. Once it's all done, remove and put it on a plate, and then I will show you inshallah what to do next. I just added a few more chicken wings, and again I've just cooked them for 3 minutes on each side, and next I will show you. So I increased the temperature of the oil once I removed all the chicken wings, and now I'm adding them back in, and this time I'm going to cook them until they are golden in colour and crispy in texture. I've just added the lid on top to prevent the oil going everywhere. Wow, look at them, looks so good. So it's time to assemble these beauties and my sister to review it. Oh dear. So ideally the sauce should be warm. If it's been a while that you've made it, you can just reheat it just before you add the chicken wings. And no guys, I'm not some kind of monster. I don't have 3 hands. That was my sister behind. Just couldn't help herself but put herself in there. So yeah. So just give it all a good mix and make sure that all chicken wings have got the sauce equally on there. So finally adding sesame seeds, and it is looking super pretty and so yummy. So yeah, I hope she likes it.
Okay, here goes. Oh my god, the sauce is so good. Oh my god, it's actually so good. I'm not even joking. I love that it's got a barbecue taste. Oh my gosh, amazing. So amazing. Guys, you need to try this. Buffalo wings, yay!
So thankfully my sister approved. Alhamdulillah, she really loved it. In fact, she ate them within seconds. Alhamdulillah. But yeah, I hope you guys like this recipe. Please subscribe to my channel. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.